Hello from welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla. Guys, IBPS conducting IBPS Clerk 2021 examination. Shift 3 is over. Shift 1 and 2 we are done with all the analysis. And in this video we'll be doing the analysis of Shift 3. Let us see what was there in the examination section wise, like what was there in the quant, what was there in the reasoning, what was there in the English, and from which topic the questions being asked, and let us try to analyze what can be the best attempt or safer attempt for Shift 3. So let us start. Guys, talking about the quantitative aptitude section, 15 question, 14 to 15 question from the simplification of easy nature. This time we saw wrong number series, not missing number series. Yes, a student takes some time to solve the wrong number series in comparison to the missing number series, but 5 questions from that. Table DI, only 5 questions, 5 states and divisions were there, and 10 question from the arithmetic, guys, 10 question from the arithmetic. So this is how 10, 15 and 20 and 35 questions were formed in the examination. 10 questions from the arithmetic. Yes, so talking about the overall difficulty level, so it was easy to moderate, and the level of the best attempt, if we talk about, so again 22 to 26 is the best attempt, guys. Let us see reasoning ability. 3 to 4 questions from the slogs, 5 questions from the inequality, 3 digit series based 5 questions, set of 5 questions were there. Word pairing 1 question, fortune was the word. Please let me know in the comment section box whether this is correct or not, and I'm also a bit confused in the puzzle and sitting arrangement. As per the, I talked to 4 students, and all the 4 students reported this ki 7 box based puzzle, 7 box arrangement, 5 questions were there. Designation based puzzle, 5 questions were there, moderate in nature. Square based arrangement, 5 questions were there. Linear sitting arrangement, like 17 people facing north, this sitting arrangement was there. Please let me know in the comment section box, am I right or not. This is how the 20 questions around formed here, and 15 questions from the miscellaneous. Guys, talking about the reasoning ability section, so it was moderate, easy to moderate again. So 25 question was the best attempt. Please let me know what I am missing from the reasoning ability section. And now let us see what was there in the English language. 5 questions from the spotting error, 5 questions from the parasembl type, and 8 questions from the reading comprehension. Forest based was the theme. Word swapping 6 questions. The rest of the question from the sentence improvement, like one part was bold. We need to find which of the following option can replace this bold part. Please let me know कि sentence improvement questions were there or not. Talking about the English language section, English language easy ही आ रहा है, ठीक है. Sometimes not complete section, I can say that. Yes, only some questions are of moderate in nature in the English language section, whereas most of the questions are of very easy in nature. Talking about the best attempt for the English language section, again guys, 23 to 25 was the best or excellent attempt. This is how, guys, you can attempt 75 plus or 80 plus in the examination. I will already release a video on that where I told you how you can maximize your attempt in the IBPS Clerk 2021. Thank you very much, guys. This is Akash Shukla, and good luck for the examination. I'll be doing further analysis on the channel, so stay tuned for this. Thank you.